Assalamualaikum teman-teman. My name is Rusma Dewi. I want to tell you about narrative text. Do you know narrative text? What the narrative text? Narrative text is a imaginative story to entertain people. Jadi, narrative text itu merupakan cerita imajinasi untuk menghibur seseorang. Fungsinya narrative text, social function of narrative text is to amuse or entertain the reader or listener. Jadi, fungsi dari narrative text tersebut untuk menghibur para pembaca maupun para pendengar. What are the sample narrative texts? Do you know? Sample narrative text is fable, legend, love stories, fairy tales, novel, storytelling, and so forth. Next, structure of narrative text. Number 1, orientation. At this section contains the opening paragraph in which the character of the story is introduced. The contents place, people, and time to read stories, both who and also when. Number 2, complication. Part of the problem in the stories begins to grow. Issue begins to emerge or start to place and begin to blossom. Number 3, resolution. Part of the problem in the story begins to be resolved. The problem is solved either happy ending or bad ending. Number 4, coda or orientation. The part that explains the lessons that can be learned from the story. Next, characteristic of narrative text. Using participle tense or past tense, using adverb of time, once upon a time, one day, long time ago, etc. Using direct and indirect speech. Di dalam karakteristik narrative text itu menggunakan participle tense atau past tense. Kemudian menggunakan adverbs time seperti contoh-contoh yang sudah saya sebutkan. Kemudian dalam narrative text ada yang namanya direct and indirect. Direct speech, example, Snow White said, I'm so sad. Jadi direct speech itu diceritakan langsung oleh si pemeran yang ada di dalam cerita. Sedangkan indirect speech, example, Snow White said that she was sad. Jadi indirect speech itu tidak diceritakan langsung. Jadi yang menceritakannya yaitu si pengarang. Seperti itu. Mungkin sekian yang dapat saya sampaikan. Jika ada salah kata, mohon dimaafkan. Thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.